welcome back to my channel. I'm Jen, your favorite Scentsy girl, and today we're unboxing my Scentsy Club subscription. So I have my puppy Kona over here, and Odin is off to the side, so he may or may not make an appearance. But we're unboxing our Scentsy Club. I'm so excited because I honestly don't remember what I put in the club for this month. Scentsy Club is amazing. So you pretty much build your own subscription. You can decide how often you get it. So every month, every 2 months, every 3 months. You can skip shipments if you want to. You also get perks such as 10% off an order. You also get a half off at $60 as well. And my favorite perk about it is our Bring Back My Bar, which I think I have some in here, so I'll explain that in a second. So let's see what I got. Some of the goodies already came out. So let's just unbox everything. Whew. Okay, first of all, cotton cleanups. If you don't have these are amazing. These help with cleaning out your wax in our standard warmers. You can use multiple warmers per like cotton cleanup. So what I do is I kind of go around the house with like 2, maybe 3, depending on which warmers I have out. And I just go around, dip it in, let it soak up, go to the next warmer, dip around. So usually I can get like 2 to 3 full-size warmers. That's usually 4 cubes of wax per warmer. So these are just really nice to have on hand. Otherwise, cotton balls work, but these are just sometimes easier. And they have a little tabby that you can hold on to as well. So I just like these. They're just easier. We also, so I got 4. Ooh, I think I have a new scent. I haven't smelled yet. So I have 4 bars. Oh my goodness. I have a new scent I have not smelled. And it is the scent of the month for February. So I'm super excited. All right, so we have 3 of the Bring Back My Bars. So Bring Back My Bars are bars that are voted in from Scentsy consultants, but most importantly, Scentsy customers. So twice a year you get to vote back your favorite bar, and they bring back the top 20, and then Scentsy picks an additional 5 bars. Usually that's available to everybody. Sometimes it's club specific, but it's an amazing program, and once a scent is in your Scentsy Club, you always get that bar, which is my favorite perk of Scentsy Club. So Spice Berries is discontinuing for good this time at the end of February. But because it's in my club, I'm going to get this on my next shipment, which I believe I have it scheduled for every 3 months right now. Spiced berries. Oh my goodness. Amazing, amazing, amazing. We have it warming up right now in our second bathroom, and oh my goodness, it smells so good. It just kind of is very kind of manly, woodsy, but we have frankincense and myrrh waft beneath decadent berries to create a timeless scent. Very wintry scent. I wouldn't call it Christmassy. Like it does have the frankincense and myrrh, but it's just a really good scent overall. Almost probably like year round you could use this. Like I said, we currently have this in our bathroom, in one of the bathrooms upstairs, and it's amazing. It's very, I think it's good for a bedroom. Some scents are strong enough for like, we have an open floor kind of concept. I think this would not work very well downstairs, but in a bedroom, this is perfect. And I think I put in like 3 cubes in that warmer. So, so good. Frankincense and myrrh. Never knew what it smelled like until Scentsy. The next scent we have is Sticky Cinnamon Bun. And if you have seen any of my lives in my Facebook group or another video I have posted, which I believe I have one on YouTube, I'll post the link down here. But Sticky Cinnamon Bun is amazing. This is probably my favorite Bring Back My Bar scent. It is so, so good. It just smells like cinnamon. It's so good. This is probably the 3rd bar I've gotten this month. That's how good this is, and that's why it's in the club. I actually might do this bar 2 times, like get it twice in one Scentsy Club, if that makes sense. So I'll have 2 bars of this in my Scentsy Club that I'll get every 3 months. That's how good this is. I think I'll use this as that much. So, but yes, I love this scent. It's so good. So we have cinnamon, sweet icing with warm, nutty nuances. It is so good. Like I said, one of my favorites. My husband thinks it smells like Big Red. I think it smells more of like an actual, like just cinnamon, but like a bakery baked cinnamon. Oh, it's so good. I love it. I love this. Once again, another bring back my bar, but I will always get it because it's in my club, and this is just continuing in, when is this? End of February, so just about a week away from the time of this recording. So the next scent I have Pima Cotton, and I do not like this scent in the wax form when it's the solid form, but when it is warmed up, oh my goodness, I love it. Do you like this, Kona? No? You're kind of looking at me a little weird. She doesn't really get the smelly thing. Odin, on the other hand, loves to smell scents, but he's being camera shy. Oh, this is such a great scent. Like I said, it's not my favorite in the like solid form, but when it's warmed up, it just smells like fresh linen and cotton, and just like, it's amazing. We have this warming up in our front room. Usually, I do want to put it in the bedroom. I do want to say, for me personally, it is very strong at first. Give it a day, a half a day, and it's just like the perfect laundry scent. I love it. So we have light, clean blend of lilies, freesia, and jasmine. So I think the freesia and the lilies definitely come out in the scent. This is just so good. So good. Like I said, not my favorite. I keep smelling, but it's not my favorite in the solid form. But like I said, once it's warmed up and going in the warmers, it just smells so nice in the room. Okay, last scent is called Pink Coconut. It is February scent of the month. We have Ground Yourself with soft scent of sweet raspberry, earthy pink clay, creamy coconut, and subtle tahini vanilla. Odin's doing his little circle dance on our couch right now. So we have the raspberry, pink clay, creamy coconut, and tahini vanilla. Take me to a beach. Kona wants to smile. I don't know if you guys can see her. Oh, she's licking her lips a lot, so I think she likes this scent. No, you don't lick the wax. Yeah, you like this one? It smells good. All right, Odin is off camera, but if he continues to smell it, he likes it. If he goes away and like licks his lips, he doesn't like it. That's kind of how I tell if he likes it or not. But he's liking this one, and Kona's liking this. Well, Kona's licking it, so apparently she really likes it. Can you come up here and show everybody? Okay, let's see. Oh, no, you're gonna be camera shy. Want to smell? She literally licked the wax. You silly girl. You're so silly. Oh, it still smells good, even with dog slobber on it, so it still smells good. But this is very creamy. I love this. Ooh, so sometimes the scents kind of, the oils and everything kind of settle at the bottom of the wax bar when it's shipping, or just when it sits for a while, which doesn't do anything to the scent. But if you're just smelling the top of it, I always recommend taking it out of the clamshell to get the full experience of the scent. Oh my gosh, it smells good. So this kind of reminds me, okay, so this is what I'm picturing in my head. Just roll with me. Being on the beach with a pina colada while having a pink clay mask on. That is what I'm envisioning right now. Relaxing, soaking up the rays, pina colada in the hand, and a pink clay mask on my face. So good. I cannot wait to warm this up. This is really good. I'm not a huge coconut person, but this smells delicious. Just very soft and very dainty, very airy. I feel like a lot of scents I've been smelling, so stay tuned because there's some new scents coming out, are very texture-wise. Like, it smells rugged. It smells like, it's just really cool what Scentsy's doing with their scents lately. But yes, that's, okay, stop. You can stop now. But yeah, it just smells so good. I love this scent. Woohoo, I'm so excited. All right, so that's my club, small club order. But yes, I'm so excited for these new scents, newer scents. They're 4. The pink cotton, I think I'm gonna warm up probably today or tomorrow. The other ones I've warmed up before and I love them. I'm so excited. I might double up on my sticky cinnamon, or I might just create a new club for every 2 months and just have that added in there. Haven't decided yet. And then my cotton cleanups. Love these. So that is what is in my Scentsy Club subscription right now. It is gonna change, but stay tuned to see what else I get, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.